Good morning students. Today we are going to see third lesson. Today's topic is elements. These elements are made up of only one kind of atoms. We already know about elements because in lower classes we learn about elements. Okay, these elements are made up of only one kind of atom. Example of element is iron, silver, gold. These are some of the example of elements. In our periodic table 120 elements is there. In our periodic table 120 elements is there. Here 92 elements are naturally occurring. We get 92 elements from our nature. Remaining elements are prepared from laboratories. Okay. In periodic table 120 elements is there. 92 elements we get from our nature. Remaining elements we get from laboratories. Artificially we prepared the elements. We can able to prepare the elements. Next one is characteristics of elements. Next one is characteristics of elements. Four character is there. How many character? Four character is there. First character is element is a pure substance and it is made up of only one kind of atom. We know all elements are made up of only one kind of atom. Four character is there. Four character is there. First character is elements are pure substance. Elements are pure substance. Elements are pure substance. Second one is elements are made up of only one kind of atom. Only one kind of atom. Then third one is we get elements from our nature and artificial also. We get elements from nature and artificial. Then fourth point is elements are occur three states of matter. Elements are occur three states of matter. What is the three states of matter? Yes, solid, liquid and gas. First there are four different types of characters there. First one is elements are pure substance. Second one is elements are made up of only one kind of atom. Then third one is elements, we get elements from our nature and artificial also. Then fourth point is elements occur three states of matter like solid, liquid and gas. Okay, first for example in solid state element is iron, gold, silver. These are some example of solid state elements. Then liquid state. Some of the elements are liquid character. What is that? What is the element? Bromine, and mercury. Bromine and mercury. Then gas, hydrogen, neon, argon, krypton, etc. Okay. Elements occur three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Solid state, most of the elements are which state? Solid state. For example, iron, silver, gold. Next one is liquid state. Some of few 2 or 3 elements only liquid state. For example, bromine and mercury. Then gas, carbon, nitrogen, hydrogen, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. some of the elements are occur gaseous state. Okay, 4 characteristics is over. Next one is classification of elements. Next one is classification of elements. According to physical and chemical properties, the elements are classified by 4 types. The elements are classified by 4 types. What are the classification? Yes, first one is metal, second one is non-metal, third one is metalloids, and fourth one is noble gases. Noble gases are inert gases. Noble gases are inert gases. Metals are classified 4 types. First one is metal, second non-metal, third metalloids, fourth one noble gases. Okay, now we are going to see about the classification. Most of the metals are solid state except mercury. Except mercury, because mercury is a liquid state at room temperature. Then metals have lustrous surface. Lustrous means shiny surface, and it have ductile also. Ductile means we can able to roll a thin sheets. And it is malleable also. Malleable means we can able to roll a thin wire. And metal is a good conductor of heat and electricity. Good conductor of heat and electricity. See, metal, first one is, most of the metals are solid state except mercury. Metals are lustrous surface, shiny means shiny surface. It have ductile also, and it is malleable. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Example of metal is copper, iron, silver, gold, etc. These are some example of metals. Next one is non-metals. In non-metals and gaseous state. Non-metals are generally have liquid state and gaseous state. Then non-metals are same opposite from metal character. Here metals are lustrous means a shiny surface. Here it is non-lustrous. Non-metals are non-lustrous and non-ductile also. Non-malleable character, and it is poor conductor of heat and electricity. See, non-metals are generally have liquid and gaseous state. Non-metals are non-lustrous surface, and non-metals are non-ductile. Non-ductile we cannot able to make a thin sheets. Non-malleable means we cannot able to make a thin wire, and it is poor conductor of heat and electricity. Next one is metalloids. Metalloids is also called semi-metals. Metalloids is also called semi-metals because it have both character, metal character and non-metal character, so that its name is metalloids. Example of metalloids is arsenic, then germanium. These are some etc. These are some example of metalloids. Example of metal is copper, iron, silver, gold. These are some example of non-metal example is sulfur, nitrogen, oxygen. These are some example of non-metals example. Metalloids example is arsenic, germanium, silicon, etc. These are some example of metalloids. The next one is noble gases. This noble gases is does not react with any other element. See here, iron is there, oxygen is there, and silicon. These elements are metal, non-metals and metalloids. These elements are react with another element. For example, hydrogen. For example, hydrogen react with fluorine. It gives hydrogen fluoride. Okay. Then here Fe. Fe is a metal. React with chlorine. Chlorine is a non-metal. Iron react with chlorine. It gives iron chloride. Okay. It gives some compounds, but here noble gases only does not react with any other element. So that its another name is inert gases or rare gases. Example of noble gases is argon, krypton, xenon, radon. These are some example of noble gases. Okay, elements topic is over. Elements are classified 4 type: metal, non-metal, metalloids, noble gases. Metals are solid state and lustrous surface. It have ductile also and malleable. Metals are good conductor of heat and electricity. Example of metal is copper, iron, silver, gold. Non-metals, most of the non-metals are liquid character and gaseous character. Non-metals are non-lustrous, non-ductile and non-malleable. It is poor conductor of heat and electricity. Example of non-metal is sulfur, oxygen, nitrogen, etc. Metalloids, its another name is semi-metal. Example of metalloids is arsenic, germanium and silicon, etc. Noble gases does not react with any other elements. Its another name is inert gas and rare gas. Example of noble gases is argon, krypton, xenon, radon, etc.